Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and style with what I consider the best women's smoking slippers on the market, the Chantomoo Memory Foam House Slippers. These slippers aren't just your average loungewear. They're a blend of luxury, functionality, and style, perfect for any occasion. Whether you're lounging at home, stepping out for a quick errand, or even attending a casual gathering. Let's delve into why these slippers have garnered such rave reviews and why they're a must-have addition to your footwear collection. First off, these slippers are crafted with high-quality materials. The outer material is a soft corduroy fabric, offering both durability and a touch of elegance. Plus, the sole is made of thermoplastic rubber, providing excellent traction and support. But what sets these slippers apart is the memory foam footbed. This high-density memory foam not only ensures supreme comfort but also molds to the shape of your feet, providing personalized support with every step. Whether it's summer or winter, these slippers have got you covered. Their open-toe design promotes breathability, keeping your feet cool and dry in warmer months, while the plush memory foam provides warmth and coziness during colder seasons. And let's talk versatility. These slippers are not just confined to the confines of your home. With their chic cross-strap and bow design, they can effortlessly complement any outfit, making them perfect for a variety of occasions. From casual outings to formal events, these slippers add a touch of sophistication to your look while ensuring maximum comfort. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate combination of comfort and style, look no further than the Chantomoo Memory Foam House Slippers. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay comfy and stylish.